Hey, I'm here at Prince of Wales, and look at these guys. They are putting in the windows. All right, you guys, so I'm back over here. We're getting the windows in today because I want them to be ready. It's looking good over here. And I'm just in love with this pantry. This pantry is going to be so nice. And none of these townhomes have a pantry at all. So that's going to be great. I can't wait till you guys see the cabinetry that I've chosen for the back. I'm going for that European style. It's a really clean look. My goal is to find a cabinet that's no panels. Has a nice little handle that you can barely see. So the cabinets go all the way up. Then you have the lower cabinets. You're going to do granite or quartz. You know, a lot of people like quartz. And I like quartz too. But I love granite because granite, I can get more choices and colors and all that stuff. So it just depends. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But then back here, we'll get this all cleaned up. So we're going to be finishing this one up pretty soon. We want to re-gentrify this area. But guys, let me know what you think. And I will keep showing you what's going on over here.